How to change color of single word in CapCut Caption. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. After you open the CapCut, now here is my caption. I want to change the color of single words inside the caption while playing. So all you have to do now, select all your caption. After you select all your caption, then you can go to this caption. Under the caption, go to text. After you go to this text, then go to this animation. So from this animation, go to this caption again. After you go to this caption, so all you have to do now, go to this all and then scroll to down. So here you have two options. So you can tap on this where it says border pop-up. So by choosing this border pop-up, as you can see now, if I now reduce the volume of the video like this, so now if I play my video, let's see how it works.
External things that we can do, outward actions.
So you can see now this this color now is marking each word of the caption.
So outward things that we can do that will help us.
So now like change the color. Let's say you want to add like red color. You don't want this color. You can select the caption again. After you select the caption, then go to this text and basics. Under the basics, then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, go to this background, check on this background. So now you can tap on this color under the background. So here you can choose any color for the background of the word that you want to just change its background. So let's say I want to change to this red. So you can choose any color from this option. After you choose the color, so here you can tap on this option to adjust the size. So then if you replay the video,
help us pray Qiyamul Layl. Number
so
one,
you can see now the color now is marking each words of the title of the caption. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.